In this next question, we're again asked to find the mean, median, mode, and mid-range. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll start by finding the mean, which is x with a little bar on top, which means we need to, again, add up all the numbers. So that means our 714, 751, let's see, what else is there? 664, 789, 818, 779, 698, 836, 753, 834, 639, and the 802. And once you add up all those numbers, then you need to divide by however many numbers there are, which is 12. So when we add up all the numbers, we end up with 9,080, which then we have to divide by our total number of numbers, which is 12. So, and that's going to give us a FICO score of, let's round it to 756.7. The next thing that they ask for is the median, but in order to find the median, remember, that means the middle, we need to put this data in order, which means we should start out with the smallest first, which appears to be 664. Let's cross them off as we rewrite them. Then 693, 698, then let's see, 714, then what's the next smallest is 751, 751, then 753, then 779, then 789. I'm running out of space. I'm going to start going sideways here. Next would be 802. Next is 818. Next is 834. And last is 836. I'm running out of space. So I'm going to cross off numbers just like we did last time in pairs on each end. 664 and 836. Keep on going. 693 and 834. And let's keep on going. Let's go with 698 and 812. Keep on working your way inside. 714 and 802. And 751 and 789. Here the problem is now I've worked my way all the way down to the middle and I've got two numbers in the middle. So the question is, what do I do when there's not one number in the middle but there's two? Well, then I find the middle of those two numbers. Well, how do I find the middle of the two numbers? I need to add them up and divide by 2, average them. So 753 plus 779 divided by 2. So you got to do the addition first, then divide by 2. Gets us a median equal to 766. Be careful if you do get a decimal for the median, you do not want to round it. Why? If you round it, then it won't be the number that's in the middle. So always leave it as is. Don't round the median. Now mode. Did any number occur more than once? Nope. So there is no mode. That happens sometimes. There's no mode. Mid-range means to average the highest and the lowest. Well, the highest and the lowest, let's see, were the 664 and the 836. So we're going to add them up and divide by 2. Average those, 664 and the 836, and divide by 2. And we get 750 as our mid-range.